We've got a nice fight coming up between Sky Nicholson and Mariah Turner. And Sky Nicholson is having a record of 15, 1 and 0, and 5'5", 68.5 inches of reach, fighting out of Yatala, Queensland. She defeated Julian Urvashi Singh, Karma Camila Santos, and lost to Tiara Brown. But on the other side, Mariah Turner is still unproven. She's tough, very tough, but she fought decent names, but this is the greatest test of her career. She defeated Leah Relban, Stephanie Lee Cutting, and destroyed Sirifon Chambuala, destroyed Tanchanok Fanan. But Ali Butel gave her a hard time, and I believe Sky Nicholson is going to give us an excellent, lovely fight. I have a feeling that Sky Nicholson wins, but I'm gonna go with over 8.5. I have a feeling this is gonna be a very much razor close fight.